In a quiet village surrounded by green hills, there lived a curious boy named Arian. He loved exploring and listening to stories from his grandmother. The village had a small lake that provided water to everyone, but the lake was drying up day by day. People in the village often wasted water without thinking. They washed clothes with running taps and left buckets overflowing. Arian's grandmother always told him, "Water is life, Arian. Without water, nothing can survive." One evening, while playing near the old tree, Arian found a strange key buried in the soil. It was small, rusty, and had tiny carvings on it. His heart raced with excitement as he picked it up. That night, Arian showed the key to his grandmother. She looked at it carefully and whispered, "This key might open something very special. The hidden well." Long ago, there was a magical well in this village, but it disappeared when people stopped respecting water. Arian's eyes sparkled with curiosity. He decided to find the well and bring back its magic. The next morning, Arian set off on his secret adventure. He walked through the village, carrying the key in his pocket. He looked under rocks, behind bushes, and inside old sheds. Finally, near the dried-up lake, he saw a small stone door hidden behind thorny bushes. With shaking hands, Arian placed the key into the lock. The door creaked open, revealing a narrow tunnel. He went inside and was amazed to see a clean and sparkling well filled with water shining in the sunlight. Beside the well, there was a carved stone with golden letters. It read, "Water is a gift. Use it with care, and it will never disappear." Arian realized this was the magical hidden well his grandmother had told him about. But the water was locked, and only kindness could unlock its magic. Arian hurried back to the village and gathered all his friends. He told them about the hidden well and the message on the stone. "If we save water and respect it, the well might give us fresh water again," Arian said. The children began spreading the message. They fixed leaking taps, used buckets instead of hoses, and reminded their families not to waste water. Slowly, the whole village started using water carefully. One night, heavy rain poured down for the first time in months. The next morning, Arian ran to the hidden well. To his surprise, the well was full of sparkling water, and the carved stone now glowed with golden light. When Arian touched the water, he heard a gentle whisper, "Kindness unlocks the greatest treasures." The village was overjoyed when Arian showed them the well. From that day on, everyone treated water like gold. The lake filled up again, plants grew greener, and the village became beautiful once more. Arian's grandmother said, "You've taught everyone that small actions can bring great blessings." Arian smiled, knowing that the hidden well would always be there, as long as people respected every drop. Moral of the story: water is a precious treasure. When we respect and conserve it, nature rewards us in magical ways. Saving water helps everyone.